Hi everyone, I'm Tussar from the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering at IITKGP. My roll number is 21EC10083. Today I'll demonstrate my DIY assignment 1, which is the model of a CPU fan. In order to make the fan, first we need to make a cylinder with which blades are connected to. For this, we will use the create a cylinder option from the part menu. Now we will specify the dimension of the cylinder. Next, a helix is to be made which serves as the joint between the fan and its blades. For this, first we'll select the option of creation of parameterized geometric primitives from the part workbench. Now that we're into it, we'll click on the plane option and in the drop down menu, we'll select helix. Next, we'll provide the dimensions of the helix. We now want to move the helix in the middle of the cylinder. For that, we need to change its position. So we will change its position in the z-axis to be 10 millimeters. The helix has been shifted to the middle of the cylinder. Now, from the part design workbench, select sketch. Taking the exit plane as the base, we will create a rectangular cross section of the blade. Fix its horizontal distance to be 20 mm from the origin. And one of its vertex to coincide with the wedge, that is, it should be at a distance of 10 mm from the origin. Now we'll set its thickness to 1 mm and length to be 40 mm. So it's done right here. Now we'll use the sweep utility of the part workbench. We want to sweep sketch along the helix. Select create solid and frame it. Click create. So the blade has been created. Now we just need to copy this blade and align it at different angles with respect to the z-axis. So now we just need to export our CPU fan as an XML mesh file. Now we will open our project in Ultimaker Cura. So here it is. You can see that the dimensions of the project is 120 by 120 by 40 mm. And now we will set the presets for printing it. The desired settings are as you can see in the screen. We'll set the infill density to 20% and printing speed to 60 mm per second, and the plate temperature to be 80 degrees Celsius and printing temperature to be 200 degrees Celsius. Now we'll slice it. Printing takes 2 hours and 49 minutes, which is well below the maximum time limit of 8 hours. We can also use the preview option to view how the object is being printed layer by layer. Thank you.